we're going to look at the offset survey. In this method, the area of a polygon is found. So if we had some points here, 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 and here, and we wanted to find the area of this, this is one of the methods we can use. To start off with, you need a survey line, and I'm going to choose this one. This will be point A, and this will be point B. Now, between the survey line and each of these points, you need to draw a perpendicular line. So that'll be a right angle, that will be a right angle, and this will be a right angle. With a measuring tape, you would then go out and measure. It's important to make sure that these angles are right angles. This point will be C, this one D, this one E. And then, starting at the first one out, F, G, H. Labelling is extremely important. From here, we can then calculate the areas of each of the triangles that are formed, or trapeziums. As you can see, FHEC is a trapezium. The distance between AC needs to be found, between C and D, D and E, and E and B. The thing is, a surveyor doesn't just draw that diagram. They need to have a field book entry. A field book entry has a double column through the middle to write measurements in. We then have our first line coming all the way through, our second line coming out, and our third one. Just like that. So this is A, this is B. This distance here is the distance from A to C. And this distance here is the distance from A to D. So to find DC is equal to AD minus AC. So this distance at the top at E is the distance AE. Again, to find DE, we would say that it is AE take away AD, and it gives us the remainder. We then need to have a finishing distance at B, which would be, for example, 120 possibly. And that's all the way to B. You would then measure each of your distance out to the side. This could be 42, this might be 28, and this could be 19. And this is called a field book entry. Field book entry. So the first diagram was a field sketch.